Michael Cardamone here at the bigger, better East Side location of Northeast Factory Direct. You all know it's the old B&B appliance building in Euclid. Alex Nemeth, congratulations, my friend.
Thank you. So, yeah, we're in the old B&B appliance building, and they were a staple in the community. We want to just continue that legacy, and just so proud of our employees to really work hard to come together to make this happen fast.
All right, well, let's talk about what's in, I mean, it's a sea of furniture,
Yeah,
Alex.
I mean, we have more furniture, sofas, we have mattresses, dining room sets, hot tubs, Amish furniture, custom furniture, and our kitchen cabinets are a home run.
And in your kitchen cabinet room is gorgeous. People are going to love when they walk into that design center.
Yeah, it's amazing. So really proud.
All right, well, all you have to do is check out the new East Side location or the West Side location by visiting their website, northeastfactorydirect.com. Once again, Alex, congratulations.
Thanks.